morning, everyone. Today I'm excited to present Soul Flow Yoga, where you have to enter your email and a password and your name. So then you get a OTP to enter, and then and then I'll ask you what's your goal. Like suppose you want to reduce back pain, you want to remove stress and anxiety, flexibility, better sleep. I just go to with flexibility. And then if you choose daily reminders, it'll send you a reminder at whichever time you choose. Suppose if I choose morning, it'll send me a reminder at the morning. And then and when you join, you get 200 free coins. The coins will be used to buy badges in this badge shop. For example, if I go with morning glow, it'll give me this badge, and then I can go back to home. And here we'll have different kinds of yoga, like hatha yoga, vinyasa, flow, power yoga. So can you see it now?
Now we are able to.
This is the first week, second week,
Okay,
and
week
third
one.
week. Full of every day 20-minute videos to help with your flexibility. And
Okay.
next, there are like yoga quotes to inspire you. So you can generate a new quote if you want. And then this is a feature that newly added. It is yoga for every age. Like you can choose your age. Like suppose I'm like 11 years. So if I choose kids, it'll give six videos for kids and senior citizens, middle age, adults, teens, whatever you want to choose will come. And then there are some articles to read about yoga. So you can read this article about yoga. And we have recommendations for top yoga channels, like and then we all the yoga channels we gave. And then here at the end, it's like the ending page, and then here rate your experience. If you give 5 star, it'll not say anything, but if you give like 3 star or something, it'll give what could be improved. Like suppose I say technical issues and send, it'll directly send it to my email. It'll help me, uh, make this more user friendly. Next, we have the background color changing thing. You can put it a bright white or a dark black based on what you want to choose. And then here there are shortcuts for everything. Like if I go home, this is my home page, and if I want to see my plan, I can click this button, and directly it comes to my plan. And here I can see my bets. Like it's a 1 day streak. I have 50 coins. I can go to my 21-day plan. I can go to the bat shop, and I can sign out. And if I sign out, my coins will be set to zero. And there's an option to log in. So if I put my password, if I put my password, it'll directly take me to where I've last been, so I don't have to start over my thing again. So
Okay.
that's about my yoga website.